Friends, I am Alexandra Sokolova from the real estate agency, and this is a 1+1 flat with a separate kitchen with views of the mountains, the sea, and the gardens. A convenient flat. Give it a like. Let's go have a look. I'll show you the views from the window. Excellent view of the mountains, the pools, and, of course, the sea. Close to the sea, 500 meters from the sea. What pleases us even more is what we observe from the eastern side of the house. This is the side that greets the sun from here, and here, in the summer, it is not hot. In Mersin, there is no problem with cold. There is a problem with heat. Therefore, this is a cool, convenient side. The Tomuk area is on the path to gasification. Therefore, it will be comfortable here at any time of the year. A fantastic large terrace which can be accessed both from the living room and the kitchen. Here we have such a beautiful kitchen, stylish, modern, with a stone countertop and a sink. Above the sink, there's a window. And when you wash strawberries, you can admire the gardens and the sea. Plenty of storage space for everything, for all the appliances. Here we have laminate flooring. I really like the little kitchen. You will also be pleased with the presence of a separate, distinct, excellent hallway. Such a stylish wardrobe with tiles on the floor. At the entrance, we also have a bathroom of a good size with a sink, mirror, shower, and wall-mounted toilet. The bathroom is fully equipped. And also, from the hallway, we can enter a separate room. In this case, it serves as a living room. A good, spacious, separate room with access to the terrace. We have already been there. And access from the hallway. You will be pleased with the good-sized bedroom, with such a great wardrobe, encouraging you to keep things tidy, and a glazed balcony, also with a wonderful view of the mountains and the sea. All this is frameless glazing, which folds like an accordion and turns into an open terrace. Here we have the air conditioning unit outlets, a prospective gas boiler, a room for gas heating, or a place for a storage water heater. Here we have a traditional hammam, showers, an excellent steam room, a bucket for dousing and a shower to use after the steam. And as they say, enjoy your steam. And to keep you in shape, the building has a fitness room and table tennis. And the running tracks, by the way, are very good. that I traditionally write all the details in the info box under the video. Visit, have a look, and also check out our website. We have many great options there. Via this WhatsApp number or the one below, which you can also find, you will receive our warm welcome and professional selection of real estate in Mersin according to your request. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.